In the heart of nature, where the rarest treasures grow, there emerged an innovation like never before. Welcome to Z Black Diamond Agarwood. At Z Black Diamond, we have mastered the art of agarwood inoculation with an unmatched success rate of 100%. Our trees yield precious agarwood in just 90 days after inoculation. Recognized by the Botanical Survey of India, Z Black Diamond stands as the most trustable and successful inoculation company among 70 others. Even the famous Sri Lankan cricketer Kumar Dharmasena has visited our company, joining the many Arab sheikhs who have done successful business with us. More than 10,000 farmers have put their faith in Z Black Diamond's inoculation, transforming their livelihoods with the promise of prosperity. The agarwood produced by Z Black Diamond is in high demand across leading countries such as New Guinea, Indonesia, the Philippines, Cambodia, Thailand, and Vietnam. We offer a variety of agarwood, including sinking agarwood, natural agarwood, and inoculated agarwood, all with an aroma that rivals the natural essence. In addition to our renowned agarwood, we proudly offer a selection of exquisite oud oils, each a testament to our commitment to unparalleled quality. Among our standout products is the Oud Special, a premium offering celebrated for its rich and captivating aroma. This exceptional oud oil is meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring a truly remarkable sensory experience. Our dedication to excellence has not gone unnoticed. Many local and regional media outlets have featured our company, highlighting the superior quality of our oud oils. This widespread recognition underscores our reputation as a leader in the industry and our commitment to delivering only the finest agarwood products to our esteemed customers. While other companies struggle to offer high returns, Z Black Diamond guarantees double returns to its investors in just 90 to 120 days. Join us at Z Black Diamond Agarwood, where nature meets innovation and prosperity blooms.